Hey guys, what's up? This is B coming to you from GNA today. So today was range day. Today's April 18th, 2015. Me and my brother went out today on this Saturday to go out and to do a little bit of shooting. So we went out and shot my GSG 522, Mossberg 715T, Smith & Wesson MP1522, and my ISSC MK22, and shot a little bit of my 1911 a few times. So we went out and we did some shooting. I'm rolling some video. Today the clouds were beautiful outside. I'm going to roll in a little bit of time lapse on that. I'm going to show you us shooting these rifles, that handgun. My brother also has a new AR-15, the Ruger AR-556, and we shot that some. And then also at the end of the video, my mom gave my kids a little toy for Christmas, and it was time to put that little toy to death. So we took care of that, and I'll roll all that in. Thanks for watching today.
Yeah.
Okay, my mom gave this little bird to my kids for Christmas.
and it is the most annoying thing in the world. And I've gotten rid of most of them, but somehow this one has survived through the others going in the trash. So we're gonna take care of that little sucker.